Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm diving into something that sounds like it's straight out of a sci-fi movie. Yep, you guessed it. We're talking about the futuristic military gadgets of 2024. First up, we have the Ghost Stealth drone. This isn't your average drone. It's equipped with adaptive camouflage technology that allows it to become nearly invisible to the naked eye. Imagine a drone that can sneak into enemy territory undetected. Pretty wild, right? Next, let's talk about the new exoskeleton suits. These suits are a game changer for ground troops. They can lift up to 10 times their body weight and sprint at speeds over 30 miles per hour. And the best part, they're designed to reduce fatigue and prevent injuries. Moving on to something a bit more defensive, the laser defense system. This system can intercept and destroy incoming threats like missiles and aircraft with precision lasers. It's like something out of a Star Wars film, but it's real, and it's here in 2024. And it doesn't stop there. We've also got the next generation of silent submarines. These subs are powered by a new form of silent propulsion technology, making them almost undetectable in the world's oceans. It's a breakthrough in stealth and underwater warfare. Lastly, we can't forget about the AI command systems. These systems use advanced artificial intelligence to assist with strategy and real-time decision-making in combat scenarios. It's like having a supercomputer strategist right in the command center. All these gadgets represent just the tip of the iceberg in military technology for 2024. It's fascinating to see how what was once deemed impossible is now becoming a part of modern warfare. So, what do you think about these advancements? Are they exciting or do they raise concerns? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and if you enjoyed this sneak peek into the future of military tech, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more amazing content. Until next time, stay tuned.